Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Snowflakes nail art design step-by-step guide. Whether you are up for easy snowflake nail art or more sophisticated Christmas nail design, I have got your covered. And remember, snowflake nails are not just about the traditional white and blue combo. They can be any color you want. Just add a few snowflakes over. Number one design is white Christmas snowflake design nails. First, create a gradient manicure, then add white snowflake stickers to finish off this magnificent Christmas design. Number two is easy snowflakes nail design. This interactive winter nail design is entirely hand painted. Use the needle liner brush to paint her flawless snowflakes. Number three design is festive snowflakes design. Polina manicure with gold snowflakes sticker look capture the Christmas spirit perfectly. Number four design is minimalist snowflake manicure. This stunning winter manicure is easily achieved with the Christmas stickers. Letita uses white snowflakes. Number five design is Christmas sweater nails. Simply add the Christmas sweater stickers and white snowflakes over metallic red nail polish to get this merry manicure. For step-by-step instruction, follow the Christmas sweater nails design as well. Number six design is blue and gold snowflakes design. To recreate this snowflake design nail design, simply paint all nails with the metallic blue nail polish. Wait until dry and add gold snowflake sticker. Finish off with a matte top coat for a chic look. Number seven design is negative space Christmas nails. To create this beautiful manicure, use a fine detailing nail art brush to paint snowflakes. Add a few color rhinestones and students to complete this look. Finish off with the matte top coat. Number 8 design is Galaxy Snowflakes nails. First, sponge some blue and purple over dark shimmer to achieve galaxy nail effect. Then add white snowflake stickers to complete your cosmic corrections. This is all you about the snowflakes and sweater nail art design. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.